Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your photos in using the CapCut child photo effect. And here, what you need to do, just add your photo into CapCut, and you can go to effect and click on the photo effects. Here, just swipe until you there are two options. So in here, the first thing is you can go to portrait, and in here there will be a baby face effect. This one, click on the effect. So CapCut will apply, and this you can see yourself as a child again using this effect. So that's the first option, and the second option, you can click on the photo, go to style, and in here go to the AI photo and use the baby outlook style. Okay, so this is how the photo looks with the baby outlook prediction. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.